AI is in everything right now. Your DAW is smarter, your plugins give you a mix, notes and stem separation in one click. So be honest, have you ever thought if AI can do all this, will it replace me as a producer? Stay till the end because I'm going to show you what AI can never replace and how to build those skills inside Amonra Productions and Edukos. If you're into music production or sound engineering in 2026, your biggest advantage is not your plugin collection anymore. It's how you listen, decide and lead a track from a messy idea to a finished record. This video is for producers who want to use AI without losing their sound. Let's quickly be clear about what AI is great at right now. It cleans up your noise, clicks, room issues and even can auto-master in second. It can separate stems, suggest drum patterns, chords, even bass lines from your idea. Some plugins literally analyze your mix and suggest EQ, balance and loudness based on reference tracks. All of this is powerful, but notice something, none of this decide what your song should feel like. None of this understands who the artist really is. By the way, if you already know you want to level up as a producer and you want proper guidance with AI in your workflow, you can enroll in the music production course by Amonra Productions and Edukos. The link is in the description, check it out while you watch. Now, let's talk about real skills that make you valuable in the year 2026. Anyone can load a preset, but can you hear why it works or why it's ruining the track? Can you spot frequency clashes, phase issues or overcompression just by listening, not just by staring at the analyzer? That skill is 100% human. In the world where everyone uses the same AI tools and sample packs, your taste is your currency. How you treat vocals, how your drums hit, how you balanced low end and space, that's your signature. AI can copy a reference, but it cannot grow a personal sound over years of listening and experimenting. AI can throw chord options and patterns at you, but it doesn't actually understand the story of your song. When should the drums drop out? When do you strip everything back to vocals and one instrument? When do you build tension and then release? Those decisions are emotional and personal. They come from understanding the artist and the audience, not just data. Inside Amonra Productions and Edukos, we don't teach you which button to press. We train your ears, taste and decision making with real projects. If that's what you want, hit the course link below and check the details. Production is not just move this EQ and add this compressor. You're also reading the room, keeping the artist confident, knowing when they're one take away from magic. AI can't feel tension in the vocal booth. It can't sense when you should stop criticizing and just hit record. Real sessions are messy. Bedroom vocals or cheap mics, noisy rooms, last minute stems, live recordings with bleed. AI tools can help clean things up, but you decide which imperfections to keep because sometimes the mistake is what makes the record feel real. That judgment is human. So how do you actually use AI the right way? Let AI handle boring repetitive tasks such as editing, cleanup, basic comps. Use AI mix suggestions as a starting point, not the final answer. Feed AI your taste, your plugins, your references, so it reflects you, not just generic data. And keep the most emotional parts of the process human. Vocal rights, final balances, that last 10% of mastering. Think of AI as your assistant, not your replacement. If you want to stay relevant as AI gets better, here's what you should be training. Deep ear training, frequencies, dynamics, stereo field, reference tracks, session flow and decision speed. Commit faster, stop keeping 50 versions. Genre awareness, how different genres use space, loudness, distortion, vocals. Real world collaboration, work with real artists, not just loops. Business and content, show your work, build your brand, teach others. These are the skills that age well. Tools will change, your taste and your ears will not. So will AI replace music producer? Not the ones who know how to think, listen and lead a record. If you want to become that kind of producer, join the music production course by Amonra Productions and Edukos. We teach AI as a part of workflow, but we focus on your training, taste, psychology and real projects. The enrollment link is in the description. Click it, check the details and if it feels right, I'll see you inside. And remember, AI can help you make music, but only you can make it mean something.